Hi guys, for today's video,
Hi guys, today's video.
magsasagot po ako ng assignment. This is my homework.
This is my homework.
Nakalagay dyan sa assignment instruction. Recounting objects, worksheets. Count mo nga yung carrots. How many carrots did you see?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. The next naman. How many apples?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Count mo nga yung apples. How
1,
many apples?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sulat mo.
5.
5 apples.
Ba't ganyan?
Next. Yung flower. How many flowers? Count mo nga yung flowers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8.
Sulat mo. 8.
Ano yung 8?
Sulat mo 8. Pabilog yun. Pabilog.
Below.
Ayan. Tapos down. Ayan. Very good. Ano naman? Pine tree. How many pine tree? Count mo nga yung pine tree.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sulat mo 5.
Five.
Very good. Good job, baby Jace. Galing-galing naman ni Jace. Next. Yung snowman. How many snowman? Count mo nga.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Sulat mo. 7. Very good, Jace. Good job. Next. Yung star. How many star?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sulat mo 5. Next. Yung eggplant. How many eggplant? Count mo ulit.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Sulat mo 11. Down mo na, pa-down. Baliktad ka magsulat. Next, yung chili. Sili. How many sili? Chili.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Sulat mo 4.
Ano yung 4?
Yung 4. Pag ganun, 4. Paano yung 4? Pag ganun.
Kalam.
Ganyan ka muna. Ganyan. Tapos ganun. Yan. Yan.
At
Tapos, pag ganyan. Tapos, to down. Next.
at
Yung gift. How many gift? Count again. Count mo ulit.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sulat mo, 5. Okay, next. Lollipop. How many lollipop? Count mo nga, Jace.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Sulat mo 4. You're done.
Ganyan. Ganyan.
Yan.
Ganyan.
Very good. Good job. Bye-bye ka na. Bye-bye. Thank you, guys.